Is there a way to install macOS on an Azure Virtual machine, or any cloud VM for that matter? I want to create a virtual development machine on the CUD for iOS development. I understand it is against macOS license agreement to install it on non-Apple hardware. But is there a legal solution to have such VM on any cloud provider? I also know about Massen Cloud, but I'm looking for a cheaper solution.
But is there a legal solution to have such VM on any cloud provider? There are no legal solutions to run OS X VM on any cloud provider. Microsoft's, Amazon's, and Google's cloud computing solutions do not use Apple hardware. Somebody would need to use Apple hardware as their backend server in order to provide virtual machines for cloud computing. The example you used is not cloud computing, they rent you physical hardware, that's the reason they are expensive.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.